Okay, see here. This is just a mind mapping. Okay, it is a kind of road map. Okay, that means what we are going to learn in the next sessions. Okay, see here. First important part is the representation of the sets. Okay, second part is the types of sets. Third part is the operations. That's it. This is the set. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, first one is the representation of the sets, types of sets, and operations on sets. Okay, now first of all we'll see representation of the sets. Okay, so we have three types of representation in the sets. First one is the roster form, second one is the set builder form, and the third one is the Venn diagram. Okay, now types of sets. How many types of sets? We have six types of sets: null sets, skeleton sets, finite sets, infinite sets, universal sets, disjoint sets. Okay, so we have six types of sets. Now the third part is the operations. What we are going to do on with the sets? Okay, we are doing the three operations: union, intersection, and difference. Okay, so in future, or in the next class, we will learn what is union, what is intersection, what is difference. Okay, so that means we have three important parts. Representation of, again, it is because it is an important session. Okay, that what we are going to learn, don't mix the things. So that's why I am showing this slides continuously. Okay, the first part is the representation of sets, second part is the type of sets. Okay, and the third part is the operations on the sets. Okay, so this is most important part of the session.